All right, today I'm going to start working on this arm. The rifle is in its position. I've filled in around it so that all they have to do is cast it together. I've got to make a shot pouch and powder horn. Got to decide what to do here. All right, this is what I've come up with. I'm going to go ahead and put the shot pouch on his side and have the strap a little bit loose because of his position. And then I can just fill in behind it here. I think that'll work out just fine. I hope. I don't know. I'm just playing with the idea. Anyway, that's what I'm coming up with. I gotta put some character into the strap so it doesn't seem quite so perfect. There. I am going to go ahead and paint the strap. And that way I can see what it looks like with the total clay. I think that adds a little bit to the total piece now. All right, be right back. GoPro, stop it. All right, I'm just cleaning up a little bit here. I filled in underneath the rifle, and I put the powder horn on. I set this up against the rock to see if it all fits, and it does. I had to push this in, but I'll paint all this to match the clay before I leave today. Now, the reason I'm doing the forearm, not the firearm, is in monster clay is because I'm going to attach the hand to it, and I need to have the same clay that I made the forearm out of, so it'll stay there. it's time to hit it with a paint. I'm not putting much detail into the bag because, and powder horn, because I don't need to. It's going to be hidden. I just need to have it indicated that it's there. All right, it's time to work on the coat. And I got to get my tools set up here. I'm putting it down behind the strap for the powder horn. I'm again going by the photographs I took of Randolph Scott in a movie called Canadian Pacific. It was a 1950 movie, I think. And I just took some screenshots off of the movie. And wasn't anything particularly spectacular, but it was just, everything worked out to be the same positioning that I was working on, which makes it handy. Okay, I'm establishing the seam of the sleeve again. Okay. And I'll put the fringe on, which I've run through the clay through the pasta machine. All right, the last thing I'm going to do is paint the fringe to match the clay. All right, this is the way he fits into the rock. And this is the way he fits into the total project. I'm really happy the way this turned out. I've got more, I can see things I need to add detail to now that the thing is set against the rock. And I'm really satisfied how it's turned out all together. I got work to do on the feet, work to do on the other side of his head, maybe a little more detail on the back of his back. But I'm going to make this so that they can take this whole mountain man off of the base and work on, make a mold of it separate and then add it to the bronze once they cast it. That way it won't be that difficult for them to reproduce this thing in bronze. I got to figure out how I'm going to, well, this warrior here is going to be detachable. This one was probably going to stay right where he is, and I'll probably have to cut him off at the leg to make a mold of it. But I think in total, this is going to be a great piece. All right, everybody, have a great night. I am totally psyched about how well this turned out. I wasn't sure it was going to, but I'm happy with it. All right, good night, everybody. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.